Hey guys, what's up? I'm doing something a little different today. I've kind of always wanted to just do a little tutorial or show you how I'm gonna experiment with my hair a little bit in this quarantine. So I've gone ahead and bleached the crap out of my roots. My roots were like down to here before. There's still a couple bits of dark pieces in the back. We're just gonna ignore them and pretend they don't exist. I was having trouble deciding which Arctic Fox shades I was going to use this time around. I knew I wanted to go like a light pale purple. But then I was on the website and I saw Neverland, and this is my favorite color in the entire world. So I'm hoping it turns up on my hair. I feel like I need an additive of like a bit of a darker shade because this one is so pastel. Like, I don't even know if you're going to see that on my hair. So it's too bad I wasn't sponsored by Arctic Fox. So I've gone ahead and brushed my hair, and now I just need to section off. I'm gonna go in with the green first because that's gonna be like my accent color, and then it's gonna be majority purple. Okay, I had to ditch my glasses because I couldn't see shit around them. Got my gloves, got my bowl. Just gonna let it shit everywhere. Ooh, oh, that's so pretty. This is how it's looking so far. Let's give her bad. I'm doing this really weird because I only have one bowl and one brush, so bear with me. So we're finished putting in the green where we want it, just like little bits. I'm just trying it out. I want it to be majority purple. Now I have to go rinse this bowl out. Bowl is clean, brush is clean. I look interesting. Now we're gonna do the periwinkle. Now we're gonna do the periwinkle. So it looks very light to me, very pastel-y. We shall see. Maybe I could just use the lid that's provided. That might be a useful tactic. I'm gonna add some Girls' Night in there as well. Hopefully more of like a purpley blue. Mix it up. We're ready to roll. Let's do this shit. Alright, so I have my hair all clipped up. It looks kind of ridiculous, but I'm gonna go let it sit for about 30 minutes, come back, wash it out, blow dry it, and I will be back. Hi, hello, I am back. Here is the final look. I finished styling my hair. My recommendations for these products is that if you're going to use them on a bit darker than a level 9, you should add a darker additive. So for Neverland, I would do their emerald green, just add like a dot of that to this, and it would probably disguise the darker pieces. So definitely you want to be at like a level 9 for this to really show up. We'll see how it goes after a wash or two, but as of right now, I love it. So pretty mermaid hair. So that is everything. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you like these kinds of videos, if you think I should post more of them. Let me know if there's any products you want me to review or any like kind of hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, whatever. Got all the time in the world right now, so let me know. Thanks so much. Bye.